Hey guys, welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to use PancakeSwap, and this is equivalent of Uniswap on Binance Smart Chain network. So, first of all, in order to connect to PancakeSwap, make sure you have your MetaMask installed and you're logged in, and then over here you need to choose Binance Smart Chain or BSC. If you don't know how to add it to your MetaMask, check my other video. I've explained step by step how to do it. Once you do this, in the right top corner we've got connect button, so just click on it, choose MetaMask, and as soon as you do this, you should be connected to PancakeSwap. The next thing we would have to do on the left side is to click Trade, choose Exchange, and once Exchange opens, over here it looks pretty similar to interface from Uniswap. So over here we will have to choose from which crypto we're trying to swap. So let me just choose BNB for example, and I would like to swap it into maybe Cake. And let's say I'm going to swap 0.05 BNB and I will get around 1 Cake. So we hit swap, we have to confirm the swap, and MetaMask window will show, and we will have to confirm it in the right bottom corner by clicking confirm. And shortly after we do this, our transaction was already confirmed, so we just swapped 0.05 BNB into 1 Cake. So this is one of the things you can do over here. Another thing would be to add liquidity. In order to do that, we click on liquidity over here, we hit add liquidity, and then we need to choose to which cryptocurrency pair we would like to add liquidity. So I'm just going to add liquidity for BNB with Cake. I'm going to hit max over here, so I'm going to add liquidity for 1 Cake and 0.049 BNB. And once we do this, we can hit supply and then confirm supply. MetaMask window will pop up, and then we need to confirm, and our transaction is already being confirmed. Why would you want to add liquidity to PancakeSwap or any other decentralized exchange? Because if you add liquidity, for example, to BNB Cake, every time someone is swapping BNB for Cake or Cake for BNB, you will get a part of the fees that this person is paying. So every time someone would make a transaction, you would get part of the fees. Of course, it depends on the amount of liquidity you would provide. The more liquidity you provide, the more share of the fees you get. But this is a very easy way of passive income. Another thing we can do when we add liquidity is farming. So in order to farm, we need to choose farm over here. And then after we do this, we can see a list of pairs from which we can farm. So I added liquidity to Cake BNB, so my APR would be, for example, 78%. But if you would be adding liquidity to some other pair like ARPA BNB, that would be 800. Or for example, NRV BNB, 177%. And DFT BNB, 330%, and so on and so on. So it all depends on which crypto pair are you providing liquidity with. And let's say I want to farm with Cake BNB, so just click over here. After that, you need to hit over here on plus, or over here if you're not farming yet, there should be a button that says enable. I'm already farming, so for me it doesn't show enable. If you have enable, you have to hit on it. And then if you're farming, you would click on plus. If you're not farming, after you enable it, there will be a button that will say supply. So I'm just gonna hit plus. And then I'm gonna choose how much of my Cake BNB LP I want to farm with, so I'm just gonna hit max, confirm. As soon as we do this, MetaMask pops up, we have to confirm the transaction, and after a few seconds we will start farming with our Cake BNB liquidity pool. And as you can see, my Cake BNB was increased by 0.2 that I just added, and it's already being farmed. And the potential rewards that we're gonna get are going to show up over here. So once they show up here, we just need to click harvest, and then our rewards will be sent to our wallet. Another thing worth mentioning are collectibles or NFTs. So if you click on collectibles, you will see a list of different collectibles over here. You can buy them over here if you want. And then another thing is IFO. IFO stands for Initial Farm Offerings, and then over here you can simply farm, for example, belt.fi, and for farming it with BNB, you will be getting a belt in return. In the past, there were IFOs of YieldWatch, Berry, Soteria, Helmet, Tenet, Ditto, and Blink. I don't know how those cryptos performed after the IFO. You can check it on CoinGecko and then decide if you want to participate on next IFOs or not. And that would be it for today. Please let me know in the comments, what do you think about PancakeSwap? Have you used it before? And was this tutorial helpful for you? And remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.